You can slap as hard as you want.
Put a smile on your face.
And then fine. Grace.
Okay, great.
Okay, our YouTube, it's your boy here, Mr. Blessing. So in today's video, we're gonna be shooting hug, kiss, and slap. So we're gonna see among these three people who's gonna be slapped a lot.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
And who's gonna be hugged, and who's gonna be hugged. So I'm gonna introduce the main sponsor.
It's your boy Big Venda. Happy to your boy AYCEE back again with another video.
Okay guys, let's go. So here you're slapping one. Kyra.
Yes.
So you slap
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
slapping one, you kiss one, then you hug one.
So we are Kettle.
No, it's up to you. It's up to you. You choose.
Oh my god. Okay.
I am the one, the way your son don't.
So you hit hard.
Yeah?
Bam.
Like come in Pam.
Yeah, boy. Damn!
So cute.
What?
So now we celebrate kiss
For it. Here it comes.
and
Then
the
bam.
slap. Okay. Oh my god, angas bien.
Oh my God! Wow!
Serious. It's cool.
It's about to go down.
Why
You running? Why are you running?
You kiss one, hug one, and slap one. Between these three options. Nothing crazy. And you can slap as hard as you want. You can slap as hard as you want. Don't hold back.
I can slap. So I must like only one person.
Hug one, kiss one, slap one.
I must hug one
Yes.
and kiss one and slap one.
Yes. Nothing crazy.
I don't want to slap anyone. Just hug.
Okay, it's fine. You cannot slap anyone. It's fine.
So I must do what I must hug and greet some. So I must choose.
Yes.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
You choose between these three options. These three.
Damn!
Here, between the two legs here, there is a lot of sugar.
So he said, you're kissing one here, then you hug one, then the other one, you slap. And when you slap, you must slap hard.
Slap hard.
Yeah.
Okay. Kiss one, slap and hug.
Yeah.
Woo! Hectic. I don't know.
1,500 and 7,500.
Tricky. It is, right? Yes.
Let's go.
Put a smile on your faces. You're making it hard.
Los Reds are shining power.
Okay, I'll kiss your hand.
Nice.
Slap hard.
three?
Alot, yes.
Between these three, you have to choose to kiss one, hug one, and slap one. Between these.
Yeah, I'm gonna choose. I don't know.
Just choose. You can just do anything.
I don't know.
Holy Ghost fire!
You have an option. You can do anything. You can hug one, kiss one, slap one.
Hey, I can yet. Is yeah. So choose one, slap one. I can fine.
Yeah.
Hey,
Miss Green.
I'll go.
Yes, you can
Just
go. Let's go.
You understand?
Where am I here today?
Anif.
No understand. Sorry.
Yeah?
No understand.
Okay, so between these three, you just have to choose to kiss one, hug one, and slap one.
Cause I'm super hot, boy. Oh my God! Wow! Hey y'all, come look at this.
Grace.
Okay.
Grace.
Okay, great.
Okay, I want you to slap one, you kiss one, and you hug one.
Is it a must to slap one?
No, it's up to you.
I am the wonder why you can.
Yeah, so I can tell.
Nice.
Nice one.
Guys, that's the end of the video. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah, we out.
Ish, I just got slapped 2 times.
Hey.
By the way, hi. Okay, share and subscribe. Please like, share, and subscribe.